Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless process of downloading and configuring high-end visual shaders directly inside Minecraft TLauncher to completely change your gameplay with realistic reflections, shifting clouds, and moving water. To pull off this massive graphics upgrade smoothly, initialize your desktop TLauncher client screen and navigate down to the bottom right corner to open up the Master Versions drop-down selection checklist menu. You must scroll down to find and select a specific version layout that explicitly features the blue TL icon accompanied by the prefix name Optifine or Iris, which contains the critical pre-packaged rendering software pipelines needed to read custom environmental engine assets. Hit the massive orange Enter the Game or Install button to initialize the game files, let the processing complete, and let the classic Mojang title screen load up on your display. While that initializes, open your web browser to visit a verified database platform like Modrenth or CurseForge to find top-tier shader zip directories like Silder's Vibrant or BSL and download the compressed folder data straight to your local drive without extracting any of the files inside. Now switch back over to your running Minecraft screen, click into your Central Options panel, open up the Video Settings Overlay menu grid, and click directly into the newly generated Shaders Dashboard button choice. Inside this specialized menu interface, locate and click the Open Shader Pack folder button resting on the bottom left layout, which will instantly force your desktop File Explorer window to snap open on your screen. Simply grab the unzipped shader zip package file from your downloads destination, drag and drop it cleanly straight into the active Shader Packs folder directory layout, and close the file navigation box. Look back at your live Minecraft screen, where the Shader Pack title name will instantly populate into the Global Options checklist. Double-click the name banner to trigger the engine reload loop, click Done to finalize the integration cache, and boot up your favorite world to enjoy a beautiful graphics overhaul. Subscribe the channel for more videos.